Redmond is a city that blends modern living with natural beauty. Homeowners here often look for ways to highlight their property's character while enjoying functionality that fits the Pacific Northwest lifestyle. One upgrade that delivers on both fronts is the installation of casement windows. Known for their clean lines, wide views, and versatility, casement windows not only improve comfort indoors but also play a major role in boosting curb appeal. Here's how these stylish windows can transform the look and feel of your Redmond home. A modern and elegant look casement windows swing outward like a door, creating a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Their slim frames and large glass areas let natural light shine through and highlight the architecture of your home. Contemporary charm. Their uncluttered appearance complements modern and transitional designs. Timeless appeal. With the right frame material and finish, they also suit traditional Redmond homes. Customization options. Choose from wood, fiberglass, or vinyl frames in finishes that enhance your exterior's color scheme. From the street, casement windows immediately make your home look updated and well-maintained. Framing beautiful views. Redmond is surrounded by greenery, parks, and mountain views. Casement windows maximize your ability to enjoy those outdoor scenes. Larger panes of glass mean fewer obstructions compared to other window types. Wide opening capability allows homeowners to let in fresh air while enjoying the scenery. Flexible design works well in living rooms, dining areas, or anywhere you want to showcase views. This strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces enhances the curb appeal of your home while improving its livability. Enhanced natural light. Good curb appeal isn't just about how a home looks from the outside, it's also about the atmosphere it creates within. Casement windows flood interiors with natural light, making rooms look brighter and more inviting. Increased daylight improves your home's interior and makes windows stand out from the exterior. South and west-facing walls benefit most, maximizing sunlight during Redmond's often gray days. Energy-efficient glass options help you enjoy the light without extra heat loss or glare. Homes that look warm and inviting from both inside and outside naturally appeal to neighbors and potential buyers. Architectural versatility. One of the best features of casement windows is how adaptable they are to different architectural styles. Craftsman homes. Wood casement frames highlight the natural details of classic Redmond houses. Contemporary builds. Sleek aluminum or fiberglass frames emphasize modern design. Traditional homes. Decorative grills can be added to create a more classic appearance. No matter the style of your property, casement windows can be customized to enhance its unique character. Energy efficiency adds value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, buyers and homeowners also value functionality. Casement windows are among the most energy-efficient window types. Tight seals create an airtight closure when locked. Double or triple pane glass helps regulate indoor temperatures. Reduced drafts mean greater comfort during Redmond's cool, wet winters. A home that looks attractive and saves money on utilities has lasting appeal in the Redmond housing market. Increased property value. Investing in curb appeal pays off. Studies show that exterior upgrades like window replacement can significantly increase resale value. Casement windows, with their modern appearance, practical benefits, and durability, make your home stand out in a competitive market like Redmond. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Casement windows are more than just a stylish choice. They're a smart investment in curb appeal, comfort, and efficiency. Their clean design, expansive views, and adaptability to different architectural styles make them a standout feature that enhances both the look and value of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to make your property more inviting, upgrading to casement windows is a clear step toward boosting your Redmond home's curb appeal.